We all know that everything takes up space. Did you ever think about the amount of space the ice cream which you eat in a cone actually takes? Well, today we're going to figure out how to calculate the volume of a cone. So let's dive in. Firstly, let us identify what is the volume of a cone. What is the formula for volume of a cone? All you need to remember is the difference between the volume of a cylinder and a cone is now you just add 1/3 at the very beginning of your formula. So the rest of your formula is the same as the cylinder, which is pi r squared times height. But now you're going to divide this by 1/3. So once again, formula for cone is V equals 1/3 times pi times r squared times height. Let's quickly try and answer these questions as expertly and quickly as possible. So let us see, if they give me the volume, if they give me the height, 2 is my height and 14 is my radius. So this is very easy. Substitute it into the formula and you would be able to get to the answer of 132 pi feet cubed. Remember, they ask you to leave your answer in terms of pi. So there is your pi. You do not have to calculate. You do not have to multiply by 3.14. And your answer is always in cubic feet. Number 2 is equally the same. This is your radius. 2 is your radius. 7 is your height. And this should be your answer. Going to number 3, which is slightly different. Because if you notice, you have the diameter. Remember, as we worked in the previous video, diameter goes across, and in order to get the radius, you will say 10 divided by 2, and you would be able to get the answer of 5. So your radius will now be 5. Substitute that into the formula and your answer should be 75 pi millimeters cubed. Similarly, in example 4, we have diameter. They have given us the diameter of 90. Quickly divide that by 2. 90 divided by 2 will give you 45. So now your radius is 45. Remember, you got to square it, multiply it by your height, which is 35, multiplied by 35, multiplied by pi, and therefore your volume should be 23,625 pi centimeters cubed. So this is a very quick, easy way to answer any question with regard to volume of a cone. I hope that you would practice and you would be ready to answer any type of question required of you for volume of a cone. Remember, the more you learn, the easier it is to learn more. So continue learning.